Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to start page numbering from a specific page in Microsoft Word All version. Page numbers are started from 1. We want to start page 1 from page 4. Move the cursor to starting page of 4. Click Page Layout, Breaks, click Next Page. Click Insert, Page Numbers, bottom of page. Double-click to select page 4. Click Link to Previous. Select Page Number, select Format Page Numbers. Type 1. Started with page number 1. Double-click to select previous page number, simply press the Delete key. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.